The correct statement in this reaction, this is multi-answer type question. So first you observe X is an aromatic compound. On reaction with bromine water, this is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, SE reaction. It has given C6H3O2Br3. Tribromination is taking place. Moreover, two oxygens are there. So this is dihydroxybenzene. Since tribromination is happening, three bromines are attached because of two OH groups. So the position of OH groups we can imagine, that is meta position. Then only we can get tribromo benzene diol. Otherwise, if two OH groups are at ortho position or para position, we can get tetrabromo product. That's why based on the tribromination and based on the two OH groups present on benzene ring, we can think as X is resorcinol. Two OH groups are at meta position each other. That's why X is known as carbolic acid. Phenol is also called carbolic acid. So X statement is correct. Then Z can be this product. So during the formation of Z, chloroform in the presence of NaOH18, Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So with respect to ortho position of one OH group, at the same time that is para position to other group, CHO is attached. So B statement is correct. Next, with bromine water, resorcinol can give dibromo product. Two OH groups remain present. Three bromines are attached. So its formula C6H3O2Br3. Next hint, Y, this is Y. On heating with zinc, we know zinc is powerful reducing agent. On heating with zinc, it removes two oxygens. Then we can get symmetrical dibromo product. Sorry, tribromo, symmetrical tribromo product is obtained. So C statement C also correct. Next, another hint for X. X can be obtained by fusion of benzene 1,3-disulfonic acid. So 1,3-disulfonic acid. This is 1,3-disulfonic acid. On heating with sodium hydroxide, SO3H is replaced with OH. So we can get resorcinol. That's why D statement also correct. For this question, A, B, C, D all are correct. This is multi-answer type question.